మా ABCGI కమ్యూనిటీ తరఫు నుంచి చాలా ధన్యవాదాలు. You have a vision and we are so happy that you have selected Punala Garu as the Minister for IT and as well as Sanjay Jaju Garu as Secretary. They have done such an excellent job cooperating with us, discussing with us, consulting with us. I've never found been involved in this interactions with several ministers and secretaries, but this is the best team I have seen, sir. So they just work hand in hand so well, and all the industry is very happy about that too. I would like to take this opportunity on behalf of ABCGI to thank the cabinet of your ministry for approving this new ITC policy, and we are also very, very happy to see J.S. Ranjan Garu taking over as an MD for the APIIC, who is also very forward-thinking and very supporting individual. Thank you, sir. Historic moment, not only for Andhra Pradesh, it's also for Hyderabad and as well as for India. We see this initiative is going to help majority of our creative talent, young youth out there to work for more of Life of Pies, more of our Lord of the Rings, or you name it, Harry Potter and all that stuff. And there will be those kind of productions will come out of this place, we think, with this initiative. The best part of this also is the JKC, which is also your very friendly program, favorite program. They're also trying to cooperate with us to impart this creative ITES talent within the IT industry students out there who are graduating as engineers, because we think we have a very, very talented group of people in our nation. We can see we have songs also, శిలలపై శిల్పాలు చెక్కినారు. అలాంటి సంస్కృతం మన ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్లో ఉన్నందుకు వీళ్ళు ఈ కంప్యూటర్లో సాఫ్ట్వేర్ యూజ్ చేసుకుంటూ చెక్కుంటూ వెళ్తారని చెప్పని నేను తప్పనిసరిగా చెప్పగలుగుతాను సార్. థ్యాంక్స్ టు ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ, the ABCGI group of people who supported every one of the move, and you came to the meetings and you also participated with the planning and architects and as well as the IT department, the APIIC department. Thank you for your cooperation, friends. Thank you very much. There is one thing we would like to request you on this occasion, sir. The educational system should be streamlined, sir. It is very, very in a unauthorized, unorganized fashion. Just like we have restrictions for the multi-purpose people, second year degree college people or degree college people, there are some standards established. In the ABCGI sector also, I think the government should take some initiative to establish some standards. Because there dime a dozen institutes are coming. Some students who are even talented students are not getting proper training and they are not getting the proper opportunities. So we would like you to please cooperate with us and help us streamline these agencies. There are several companies, sir, probably we have not heard, and a lot of audiences also may have not heard. There are gaming companies which are sprouting like very good, healthy environment. There are companies like Purple Talk, a company like Xboxes. There are people like Makuta who is doing great work for EGA, and now we got coming Bahubali. And if you look at Rhythm and Hues, the people from there have done work for the Life of Pi, which got the Oscar award, and quite a bit of work on the Tiger. The major portion of it was done in Hyderabad. That means we have talent here in Hyderabad. Sonys are investing into our country. Disneys are investing into our country. DreamWorks are investing to our country, sir. This is the right movement, and we thank every one of them at the IT department. Believe me, with all this difficult period of what we are going through in Andhra Pradesh, they still have functioned. A lot of people have told me government is not functioning. Gentlemen, I'm sorry to say that I firmly believe in this government is still working. You can see the way our team of IT department as well as the Chief Minister's directions, how well they are moving forward. Thank you very much, sir. All I can say at this moment now, we wish we had more people of gathering. A lot of have been stopped. There are hundreds have been stopped, hundreds have been sent back. There are more people in this community, sir. There are thousands of them. There are more than 16,000 people just as students in Hyderabad alone learning this talent. There is a gaming opportunities. One game successful, sir, could make billions of dollars. One successful game. So there are lots of people came, and hopefully, second we are having an event for our ABCGI people. We would like to also invite you for that event. We are honoring our minister and secretary for that day, and we would like you to give that memento from your hands and appreciation from the industry, because you are the gentleman who wants to take care of the industry. As a second, sir, it's on Shilpakala Vedika. I will personally come and invite you, sir, there. It's a wonderful day. All I want to say is, come on, guys. It's a historic day. You're all in the industry. Give a big hand to the CM and the minister and all the stuff.